you're working with the network, with the TETRAPOL network in Baja California, in Mexico, one of the northern states, next to the American border. The network has been there already for 15 years. So how happy are you with the network?
Yeah, we're really happy. We have 7,000 terminals that are being used by seven different corporations from 5 municipalities and 2 state police. This network has 19 different repeaters that go from the coast of the Pacific Coast to the Gulf of California in the eastern part of the state, and we cover maybe 40% of the territory and 95% of the population of Baja California.
Okay, and did you upgrade the network in years?
Yeah, we started with just 1 repeater, and now we have 19 repeaters in all over the state. Also, we provide service not only to the local corporations, but to federal law enforcement, like the federal police. Federal police patrol the border with the U.S., and we provide the communications to that corporation also.
Border police needs to communicate very efficiently, specifically when you take the border of Mexico, United States. So I guess they're very happy with the communications there as well.
Yeah, and also one positive point that I have to tell is that the communication in TETRAPOL is secure. So they can operate knowing that they are in secure communications along the border, with not having the problem that they being listened by the criminals.
And that happened in the past?
Yeah, we have at the past analog systems that were listened by the criminals, so the operations were really affected by that. Now it's totally different. It's one of the main advantages of the network.
But did you also enhance the network in terms of software upgrades, of hardware upgrades over the last 15 years, or has that always been stable and okay?
It always has been stable, but we're trying now to go to the IP10 network in order to be a more efficient network.
So you're here now at SNUC 2015. You're very happy to be here, I understood. But how do you experience the interaction amongst the end users? Are you gaining a lot of extra new information?
Yes, it's a great experience. We are learning from other users from Europe, and they have a lot of things that we are trying out. Now that we know that they have done it, we're trying to implement it. We're going to try to implement it in Baja California. They have a lot of experience. They have all their networks. One of those countries has a network, a TETRAPOL network, since 1995. So they have a lot of experience, and this is a good opportunity to learn from them.
Okay, so you're actually happy to run the network for another 10 years?
I believe no longer, maybe 20 years. We have an implementation plan, and we're trying to advance at least 1 repeater each year to try to cover more of the territory of the state. We have a big state. The population is located at the northwest side. That's why we have 95% of the population covered with the system. But we have to cover all the territory of the state, and we have maybe 10 more repeaters that we are going to install.
Would you be happy to return to SNUC 2017 again?
Yes, of course. And maybe by then we are going to have an IP network in Baja California, and we are going to have the new TPH 900 terminals working with all the police officers in the state.